Hello friends, welcome to our channel Random Dictation. Be ready for our dictation number 4 based on capital punishment. Ready? Start. Capital punishment in India has a checkered history. Stop. In this chapter, the researcher would peep into the concept of punishment and its different theories, religious sanctions, legislative development, and present-day crusade to deal with capital punishment. Stop para. Social interest in a civilized society lies in a peaceful and secure atmosphere which is governed by rule of law. Stop. A man possesses free choice to follow either good or evil. Stop. If he chooses evil, he is responsible for his choice, thereby inviting appropriate punishment. Stop. To impose just punishment is necessary as society cannot be denied the right of self-preservation in a secured way. Stop. To dream for peaceful and orderly society, the inherent evils developed in individuals need to be eliminated for safety and comfort of others. Stop. It is indeed a melancholy commentary upon a civilized society for having failed to make a crime-free living. Stop. A crusade to conquer evil, distributing the moral fiber of society for preservation of justice, righteousness, human life, and to create a decent, humane society. The punishment, being a perennial process, has travelled in diverse directions leading towards the present day legal vessel where human life is more sacred than the time immemorial. Stop. What was punishment for a minor crime in yesteryears is today punishment for a major crime. Stop. Capital punishment is the highest punishment for any crime. Stop para. Despite there being varied punishments for varied crimes from generation to generation, crime is prevalent in every society. Stop. The efficacy of punishment has been justified in every society, with only exception that the harsh punishments have been more or less eliminated from the code and evil is treated in charity in most of the crimes. Stop. Even though not in toto, the barbarity breeds barbarity seems to have been understood, and the human flight seems to be ruling the day where sentencing is viewed as a process of re-educating a criminal, thereby rehabilitating him so as to return him in the society as a responsible citizen. Stop. The holistic view of sentencing has yet to eliminate the severity in crimes which are bestial and treacherous tragedies deserving terrible condemnation and are so shocking to the human conscience that infliction of severe punishment becomes irresistible. Stop. The harshness and the human flight could not change the color of crimes. Stop para. There can be no attributes more important than the life and liberty of a citizen in a civilized society. Stop. Article 21 of the Constitution of India provides that no person shall be deprived of his life and liberty except in accordance with the procedure established by law. Stop. The imposition of death penalty on a convict is the procedure established by law which is subject to appeal and review. Stop. Overall.